Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account connected with your Google account. So you have to do two things. One is simply delete your TikTok account from here. Another is, remove the access from your Google account itself. So let's get started with step one. Head over to your TikTok app, tap three bar icon. In here, tap on settings and privacy. Now to delete your account, tap on account itself. Tap on deactivate or delete account. Now, if you're so sure that you would like to delete your account, you have to tap on delete. If it's a temporary process, tap on deactivate. Now tap on delete account permanently. In case you change your mind, you have 30 days till you can, reactivate your account again. Give any reason that you would like, tap on continue. And all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt and simply delete your account. Once your account has been deleted, let's go ahead and remove access from your Google account. Head over to your browser and simply type in myaccount.google.com. Get logged into your account and make sure the Google account is same and it has been integrated with your TikTok account. Once done, you're going to have to scroll below and tap on third-party services and apps. Now in here, you will definitely see TikTok because your two accounts are connected. You're going to have to simply deny the access for TikTok from your Google account itself. So let's go ahead and do that. In here, you will see TikTok. Expand it and select delete all connection you have with TikTok. Confirm your action, guys, and this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.